Hello. Good morning, sir. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me now? Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
we can.
That's confirmed.
But there's
So it's like I'm using two. I have to use two cameras to be able to do this, which is not ideal for me. But let me see. Let me see. Something is not right with this. I think my stream is having a communication. That's the one mic. Audio speaker will be there. Okay. Nevertheless, as long as you can hear me, but I'm not sure why. I'm showing the two cameras are here. I needed just one camera to show, which is my side view. All right. Okay, I'm expecting a buy, guys. Okay, set your buy limits at those levels. Buy limits, order. Look at the price tag. Buy limits, buy limits. That's my set your buy limits there quickly. Price is coming right there right now. We're gonna use a buy limit. We are on GU. We are on GU right now. And we're setting the buy limit at the first buy limit is 338. Now remember, you do your you have to do your calculation of your risk. Okay, remember that. So our stop loss, overall stop loss is what? Our overall stop loss is 10 pips. We are dealing with 10 pips here overall. So I'm going to calculate 10 pips here, and I'm risking 1% on that account, and that would be this. That's 10 pips, 1%. So I'll divide this into two. So I'm dividing this stuff into two. So that means I'm going to have 1.2, 1.2.5, 1.25, 1.25. So I'm going to have 1.25, 1.25. So I'm going to put a buy limit order. Buy limit order at price 133.849. 849 buy limit order. Stop loss is at our stop loss is 133.739. Stop loss 133.739. Then our TP is going to be around, the first TP will be here, and we can just set it as 1.34, 1.34, 1.34, 1.34107, 34107. So that's the first one. Ouch. Let me modify that quickly. Sorry, I need to. I need to delete that. I didn't set it properly. Delete order. Okay. So it's 1.25. I didn't put my proper lot size. 1.25. You're using lot size 1.25, and at buy limit We're looking at this area 1.33849. 849. Stop loss 1.33739. 1.33739. Then take profit will be 1.34. 1.34 TP is 1.34107. So that is on 1.25 lot. So that's the first trade, the first entry. If price come to 61, we're gonna take that. That should be activated. And if it doesn't and it keep pushing up, we'll leave it. We cannot force the trade. We cannot force the trade. That's one thing you should know. You just have to learn that, not to force trade. Okay, so we have our first TP, our first trade activated. On the first one here is here. We're looking at this area. If it comes there, that'll be great. Which is here. If it comes there, that'll be great. We hope it comes there. If it doesn't, we'll just leave it. We can force the trade. You let it go. Okay, that's the first one. The second entry will be on the 71, which is here on the fib of 71. If it comes there, that'll be great. But we can see price pushing back up. That's crazy. Ah, dear. Okay, let's wait before we set the next order. So I will not waste our energy trying to set the order. Price didn't come there. I was just expecting it to drive all the way down. So the buyers are back. They're back. They're strong in the market right now. Although both of them are strong, but GU is stronger. So, no. And no. Now, the overall goal today is to break the previous daily high anyway. So, let's see if they give us opportunity to take that. That's where they are going overall. They are going over here. Come on. This candle is messing it up. This candle is messing the structure up. It didn't want us to get in this trade. So if this candle closed bullish as it is, we might as well change our system. And we're going to look for buy somewhere there, put our stop loss here, and then we'll buy based on break and retest of the pre-market high. So we can do that. But let's see how it goes. And that will be executing it. We'll just have to execute. Because the way it's pushing is obvious that it's going up. So you wait for the candle to close first. And I'm going to execute on this one. The way it's going, it requires execution. I'm going to execute on that one because we have a break of structure here. We also have price closing above the pre-market high, and it came back to retest and it wants to rally. As you can see on the 1 hour time frame, that handle wants to push higher. It wants to push higher, and until they get to the previous daily high, they are not going to stop. So watch out. I'm going to enter that trade right now. I'm entering right now. Execution, buy. I'm in a buy on this trade right now. I'm in a buy on this trade. Let me remove that fib so you see it. I'm in a buy on this trade right now. My stop loss is right here at this low. This low right here. I'm going to put my stop loss right here, because that bullish candle tells us that they don't want to come down anymore. So we just keep riding it. I'm in the buy execution right here. I'm in the buy execution right here. And I'll put my stop loss at this level. If it drops and takes me out, my last entry, remember, I divided my loss size, my 1% into 2. So if I lose that trade dropping, maybe about 100 and whatever dollars, and I will enter at the right spot with that area I'm targeting before. But remember, this is just, we are buying the market. This is just how you should look at it. So I'm in the buy already on that trade. So I put my stop loss at that level. As that previous low, which is here. This is where my stop loss is. That would be my stop loss is at 1.33907, 1.33907, 1.33907. TP previous daily high, which is about 2%. TP previous daily high, which is 1.34269. Okay, 1.34269. Manage your trades. I'm in the profit already, and I only risk 0.5 of my loss size. I risk 0.5 of my risk, 0.5 risk, which is percentage. So I'll delete that limit order that I set before. Now I'm going to target the TP area will be pre-market high. So I'm looking at that pre-market highs area. That's what we're targeting, pre-market high. Expecting price to break that pre-market high. And that would be about how many pips? That would be 24, 1.34273. 1.34273. Modify. Done. So we are on the trade, massively in profit. Obviously not massively, but we're in profit already. So let's go. Here is my trade. As you can see, can you see that? I'm not sure you can see that, but I'm in. As you can see, my stop loss is there. My entry is there. Okay. So let's watch this trade. This early money bread. This is early money bread. London section early money bread. So let's see how it goes. That candle is closing bullish in 16 seconds. So our stop loss, like I said, is here. This is stop loss area. We have our stop loss there, and we have our TP here. This is our TP area. Okay, I'll show you. Note that. Let me delete this part because price is no more coming down there. So we're good to go for now. Who is in profit already? How many of you joined me on this trade? So if you check the 1 hour time frame, you see I'm expecting price to get to the previous high there that it created. This level, I'm expecting price to get to this level, this high. Now, last night, price came very close to our entry one on my swing trade analysis that I did on the weekly analysis, weekly forecast. Price came very close to our entry on Friday. This is it. This is the trade. It came very close to our entry. It did not trigger because I have my limit order there, and it did not trigger. So that's why I'm taking a day trade strategy this morning. I just thought, let me quickly scalp this market this morning. That's what we're doing. So we hope price hit our TP quickly and we're out. Now, if you're watching us the first time, hit the subscribe button. This is Trader Simran here. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share the video. All right. And let's go. Yes, people are in profit. Well done, Benga. Well done, Chris. Well done, Sylvia. We are in profit. At least you can interpret the price action that we followed. It was very clear. We were looking at price action, a strong price action. As you can see, this is a very strong bullish candle. Price break above the pre-market high, break structure, pull back a little, and then close very bullish, telling us that they are not willing to drop lower. It's time to go up. So that's how we got in on the next closure of that candle. Also, I am on this trade right now, which is not doing so well. Okay, price came back to test minus 70k. That's great. Okay, we'll have to. And what's that stop loss there? Some on that trade, not too great right now. Well, let's stay on GU right here. Okay. So this is another block here. So that will be extreme. If price comes to that level, that will be extreme. So we call that extreme order block. If price want to come there, it might tap into that one and reject again. So do not fear. Do not panic. Now, there's something, let me be interpreting price action for you to understand. There's something I'm expecting here to happen at the close of this candle. Number one, I'm expecting the candle to break, let me use my pen. I'm expecting the candle to break above this high, bodily, close above it bodily. And when it closes above here bodily, then it intends to us that it's going to go higher. Okay. But as it's doing now, it might retrace down here into the other block and then rally again. So get ready for that. If it comes into this area where the other block is, another entry for me, another entry is going to be there for me. So that will be another beautiful entry that I'm going to use on this other block. Strictly on this other block, we have a fair value gap, or we can call it imbalance in this area. So they might come to feed that imbalance and then take off. So do not panic when that happens. That's why it's called live trade session, so you can learn. So you can learn. Do not enter this trade right now. If you're just joining us, I'll let you know when to enter if there is any opportunity to enter. Do not try to enter right now. It's gonna just mess up your psychology. So don't try to enter right now. I'll tell you when to enter if that happens, if you give us the opportunity to enter. But at the moment, we're already in the trade, so we're just watching. So we have this candle inducing that liquidity on there. You see that this place price just came down to take out that liquidity low. So we want to see that this candle break above this body area, this area here. So if this candle close bullish above this area, then the next candle is going to rally to the upside. That's looking promising, as we can see. Hit the like button there if you're watching this. Hit the like button. Come on, turn on the like button. And also share this link to people who you know that are struggling to be profitable and they are struggling to trade, so that they can be joining us every week for live trading section for free, and they can make some money as well, learn, which is good. Okay, share the link. You have so many Telegram groups that you're on. Share on it if they let you. Share on it. Now, this strategy I'm teaching is what I've taught my mentees. They all know what I'm doing. It's not new. I'm just doing practical life on it, just trading life, just for them to know that it works. And everyone knows that it works anyway. So, but I'm doing it so that everyone else should know that you can literally trade the market and be confident over time and be profitable as you progress over time as well. Wow, that's a good one. That candle closed above the previous high. Lovely. Lovely. If it closed above the previous high, that is lovely. Lovely. Can you see that, guys? That's lovely. Brilliant. That is brilliant. That is brilliant. Now I only risk 0.5 on my account. I didn't risk 1%. I just risked 0.5. So I'm expected to take a profit of 250 right now as soon as it hits TP. If it hit TP, that should be about 250 on the 25K account, which is not a bad idea in less than what? Maybe, I don't know. So we have to be, you just watch and see. Watch and see. Imagine if I reached the whole 1%, that would have been $500 straight up on a 25K account. So let's see how I get the price get. Obviously, we can tell that price is pulling towards that area. There's liquidity here, strong liquidity area in that level. So price is pulled towards that previous daily high liquidity level. Now, if you want to learn more about this strategy, it's very easy and simple, but it takes time of psychology, of risk management, of a lot of things about the market to be able to understand it just quickly like that. So follow the link in the comment section. I mean, in the description of this video, you'll be able to get in touch with me, and we will put you on and teach you and take you on one-on-one if you want to. This is just day trading strategy, one of the scalping strategy I know. The video I did yesterday was on swing trade, median swing trade, open your trade within the week, close it within the week, Monday to Friday trade. That's the one I shared on that for you. So as different strategies as well. So because I have about 4 or 5 strategies that I know, I can look at the market. I can choose. You saw me do just now. I switched from one strategy to the other because I saw the opportunity and I'm able to trade it. That's how we're in this trade. So it happens like that. You have to know what the market is giving you and how to take advantage of it. Let's go. Let's go. The next candle should take us there, or this candle should push higher than that. Now, once TP hits, don't try to trade again today. Get out of the market. Do not trade after this TP hit. Do not trade again today. If you're watching now, do not trade after the TP hit. Do not trade again today. Whew. If you have questions, you can ask in the comment section. But I know when you are trading like this, everyone is quiet. You're staring at the chart. Please let it hit TP. That's what you're praying to. I like the candle, the way it's going. What if you are in a swing trade? Normally, when I'm in it doesn't affect my risk. Depending on, at the moment, none of my swing trade entry has been activated. So I'm just waiting, quickly taking this little profit and then focus on any of the swing trade that activates. At the moment, none of them has. So we just wait. That's why I'm doing this early morning scalping. We're almost there. We're almost hitting TP. Okay, you are on the swing trade, Mr. Steve. Is your trade already activated? Any of your swing trade activated? Um, okay, that's fine. You can just watch. You don't need to scalp. If you already exhausted your risk, you don't want to expose your risk too much. Um, depending on the kind of account you have, which is all right. I get it. But at least you're learning, you're getting the strategy. This is just how it is. Okay. All right, that's fine. Um the thing missed my entry. My entry was missed, so I didn't. I don't know, just missed my entry. It didn't activate. It was so close to it, the first entry, but it missed it. So I thought, okay, let's wait for others. We have other trade that we talked about that have not activated yet. So I'm waiting between now and tomorrow for any one of them to activate, and we'll be able to get in and take advantage of that. Right now, I'm in 250. I'm in 250 in profit, 250 right now, right on the dot, 250 in profit. But I want to see how this candle close. This very candle is a kind of interesting candle. $260, just paying. Good. What's that? Already price has given us 1 to 2. So if you want to close and take TP, take it. Price has given us 1 to 2 already. Don't be greedy. If you want to take TP now, you can. Price has given us 1 to 2. I normally will go for 1 to 2 a minimum, but if you want to take your TP now, it's okay. Take it. Take it. Don't be greedy. Just take it. Don't be greedy. If the market has given you 1 to 2 risk to reward, that's what we did. That's 1 to 2 risk to reward. Remember, we had our stop loss as tips. You see, 10 pips, and we're risking this. I already made this one. That means I made 1% because I risk half. I risk half of 1%. Remember, we divided this into two. So I risk half. And now we already got 1 to 2. So I can see that candle struggling there. Price already gave us 1 to 2. There's no need to hold on if you are not going to keep it. But it's gonna get to our area of interest. Price will get here. That's guaranteed. It's gonna get hit that pre-market high, pre-daily high before any drop. But at the moment, price has given us a clean 1 to 2 trade. Nothing to worry about. Clean trade. That's what you want to see. I'm not interested in profit. You're holding, you're holding, you're holding, you're holding, you're holding. You're holding your trade. Let me see. You're holding. Someone's wondering, can it be hit? The, don't worry. Listen, I told you, take if you want to take it because I can see that candle struggling right there. The place is planning to pull back. It's not the right place. I didn't like that. So 1 to 2 was enough. Okay. Again, like I said, price would definitely hit the pre-market high. So be patient if you want to be. For those of you who think, oh, I'm okay, I've gotten enough. Let me close my trade, then close it. If you feel like that, because that's on you, not on me, you can decide how much you want to make in the market and get out. As far as I'm concerned, that's on you. When TP smash, I'm done. That's it. Done for the day. Done, done, done. And even now, as it is, price has given me 1 to 2 right there. That's 1 to 2. So the rest is just bonus, which is about 4.47. It's just bonus. All right, extra money. That's what that is. So 1 to 2, 1 to 2, a minimum. That's how I scalp. This area where price is at now is a very dangerous area. Price could start selling from there. So be careful. Be careful, right? Let it hit. It's gonna hit. It's gonna get there. It's gonna hit the pre-market high before it start dropping. But that's a very is a sell area on the 1 hour. As you can see, price is getting close to that area. So it's a sell area on that 1 hour. That's why it's reacting to it. So I might be thinking of price retracing all the way down again later on, and then we could look for sell. But at the moment, market is bullish. You want to trade with the trend, and that's what you want to see. This is where price started rallying this morning. This area here, and that will be that candle above the 50 mark, which is again strange, isn't it? But I hope some of you have taken profit. If you have, congratulations. That's how to trade. You do not don't learn to take profit when the market tells you. I told you that that's the right place to take profit. 1 to 2. Look at that. But it's still gonna go up, but it might just retrace a little bit. So if you don't have the patience, you might not be able to catch the upper move. So price will still go up eventually. Price will still go up eventually, but it's just playing around. So if you're already in profit, well done. Somebody made $80 to pass. Wow. Wow. Congratulations. Congratulations, man. Chris, well done. You've already passed to complete your challenge. Well done. That's how it goes. Don't miss the next one. Don't miss the next one. Tell your friends, tell those who want to learn how to trade and make more money live, in it. Make some money live. Let's go. Any question, any comment? I'm rounding up soon. As soon as that candle pushes up to hit TP, I'm closing. So if you have questions, you can ask. Don't want this stream to be extremely long. It's almost 1 hour down. So I'm expecting it to be less than 1 hour, less than 2 hours. Can you look at oil, please? Okay, Mr. Steve. Do I have oil on my watch list? Do I have oil on my watch list? Nah, let me see. But for those of, as you can see, this candle is struggling to close bullish. But just one candle is what is needed. A pullback a little, and one candle will just sweep all the way up. Okay, that's what is needed. And once they hit the pre-market high, I mean the pre-daily high of the candle, once they hit that place, they're going to start deciding whether to drop and or to stay above. So you can see that push up. So the one candle is what they need. Only one candle is what they need to tap into that area. So if you're still holding, well done. Take partial profit, leave the rest to run if you're okay with that. But as for me, I've already gotten my $250 for the market. I'm out. So I'll wait for other opportunities because this was not my planned trade. I was waiting for my swing trade to activate, so I'm still waiting for them. Something like this. What is it? This one just failed. So I'm no longer looking at opportunity. This one is failed. We might be looking for a buy opportunity on this trade right now, based on scalping, day trading. So I wait for this break of this area of break structures. These are all liquidity. What pair is this? US dollar Hong Kong. So US dollars against Hong Kong. That's the pair I'm looking at. US dollars against Hong Kong. So I'm waiting for a break of structure of any kind. Maybe this one or that. This one is better because there's liquidity here. So I want price to break above that area, and then we can look for buys. You can see that price is actually extending on the 1 hour. So it's extending down on that pair. So it's still extending. So right now our entry module has changed to this level here. So we're going to look at that in brief. So if price shift, it shifts. So you have to shift it. So I'll look at that in a moment. Let's focus on you to see if we have a TP hit. Okay, see price is rejecting there again. So if I were you, I would take partials and leave the rest to run. But it's going to hit TP anyhow. It's going to hit TP. That place is going to get there. It's just playing around because of other block here. So we have another block that is here. This imbalance has been filled. So you have another block here. That's why it's reacting to it. This area, other block, is why it's reacting. So we have that other block area there. It hasn't got there yet, but it will break through. So that's where I'm expecting probably another sell opportunity. Let me put it properly. Yeah, that area there, that's a supply zone. So that's the supply zone for me. As you can see, price is reacting at that area. So if I were you, I'll take partial profits and leave it, because it's reacting to that area strongly. So we can't get into a sell right now on that, even though it's on the other block at that level. But we need to see structures to trade. I trade with structures, market structures. So they are very helpful to me based on my trading plan. I trade with that. So it doesn't match yet. So I need to see price give me a structure that price is going to go down even more. This is 5 minutes time frame. So, or we could look at the 1 minute to see if there's breakup structure there and we can trade it. Something like this nature. And the only breakup structure we might be thinking is this one here. This drop that is happening now. You can see that break. But I'm not selling it. I'm not going to be gambling like that. I don't trade like that. I don't just buy and sell, buy and sell. That's stupid. That's gambling. But I'm just talking through price action. So you can see that it's struggling there over time. So that's why I had to take profit there. So if you're leaving it for it to go up, then expect price to pull back a little bit. So price may pull back into this area of interest. Okay, you're looking at this area. If you put your feet, the price will pull back into this imbalance. As you can see, there's an imbalance here, and also there is order block. This is a full order block area, or this even minor, the secondary order block area. So price may come into that area and then push back up. So if that's not what you want, then stay away from the market. But at the moment, that's what it's doing. So if it's going to do that, just watch. That's, if it doesn't come down there, it's still good. Price can rally up. But as you can see, there's a structural break already. This is market structure. And then we need a pull. You see, it's just dropping. So that's the reason. Because on the 1 hour, you can tell that that area has been filled. So that's why we do live trading section. It helps you to understand when to get out, when not to get out. So that's why I'm teaching you. I'm giving you that guide on the live trading section. I already told you that market is struggling there. So it's better to take 1 to 2 and leave the rest. So this pullback now is just a drawback. So it reduces your profit overall. And even though price may eventually go to hit TP, but as long as you're scalping, you are not swinging the trade, and you are looking at the chart, that can tell on your psychology. But if you're swinging a trade, you set and leave. You just set it and abandon it. The price play around, dribble around, it doesn't matter. You are not there to accept your TP or stop loss is hit. Then you're done. That's the way you trade, you swing trade. But when you are day trading, you are on it because you're monitoring trade. You don't want to lose profit. When you are in profit, you don't want to give it back to the market. So you want to take it as much as you can take what is enough for you. So that's exactly what I've done this morning with this trade, this minor setup bar that we took. So if you have any question, any concern, you can ask me now. Let me look at oil. Somebody requested I should look at oil today. So let's look at oil. Let's see if we can get oil in. And then ooh, feed to crude oil futures. Maybe we use that one, but let me see crude oil. All right, let's use that. Okay, price is rising back up. I believe it's going to push higher. So like these are all play games. They will play on your mind, draw back, and all of that is fine. If you're comfortable, you leave it, let it hit TP. But let me see oil quickly while that one is trading. Now, oil based on swing trade or scalping. Is it crude oil? Why am I having this? Sorry, I think this is not the right one. Where's the oil? US oil. It's supposed to be US oil, isn't it? It's not futures, man. Where is it called?
It's WTI. WTI.
Yeah, I've seen it now. Let me use this. Okay, better. Thank you. Better chart, better look. Okay, now based on swing trade or based on day trading, because you need to know which one you want to go for. Day trade or swing trade, Mr. Steve? Oh, on swing trade. Okay, swing trade. Let's go to, first of all, we have to look at a bigger picture, which is the 4-hour. Okay, now looking at the 4-hour here, this is the 4-hour picture. Let's see something here. Overall, the market is bearish. As you can see, the market is bearish, okay, overall. So this was a retracement of this impulsive swing, and again, we have minor structures here. Okay, first price drop. Let's walk our way through order flow, okay? Walk our way through order flow. Okay, on 1-hour chart. You want it on 1-hour chart. Okay, let's see. Walk our way through order flow right before we move on. So we can see that price was consolidating around this area until this low was broken. Okay, so when this low was broken, this is the low that price broke. This low here, all of this low, price took out liquidity and break structure. So we're looking at this area here. So this is the area we're looking at price action. So all of this is just, again, consolidation. As you can see, over here, price induced a liquidity. As you can see there, price took out liquidity over here. As you can see, there was minor liquidity there, and it was induced before it dropped. So this will be the first structure that you're looking at this level to this level, where price is at. Yeah, you just missed the trade though. If you're not in yet, then you missed the trade. That was a clean set. A break of structure already happened around this area, as you can see. That's liquidity inducement. And we have break of structure over here, many break of structure. So we have a lot of break of structure that happened. 1, 2, 3. So the price drop break structure and is selling. So right now, this is supposed to be your entry. Okay. If you use 70%, 75% fib, that was again a clean entry. That's it. You see that price tap into the 75 and drop. So what that means is that you can have full risk on this trade free, but you don't already miss the trade, so don't try to enter. It's gone. It's coming down to take out all this liquidity, and that's 1 to 3 right there. 1 to 3 risk to reward trade is already gone. Trade done. Oh, you are in the trade already. Well done. That's one of my mentees there. He's done it. He got in. That's it. Well done. So just leave it, let it ride. You have a free ride to this level. Okay, that's great. Nice one. 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 So let's go back to GU. Since that one is sorted, you already sorted that one out for yourself. So that's great. That's a lovely trade too. All right, G is still struggling to push back up. Okay, we are still on it. We are still on it. Now it's retracing back up. This 1 minute. It's trying to push back up. But hopefully it goes back up and take out stop. All right, guys, I think that's it for today. I don't want it to be too long. We've just, if you make profit, congratulations. For those of you that with me live, that's how you do it. And you're done for the day. For me, I'm done for the day. I'm not going to be, apart from swing trade that I'm on, that I'm going to be taking. So apart from that, I'm not looking at any other trade. Just swing trade, and I set my entries. I'm watching them when they're going to enter, and tomorrow I'm going to do a little bit of scalping again on London section depending on the market behavior. So join me tomorrow while we do live section trading again. If you are watching this video, ensure you hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification, so as soon as we get live, you will be informed to join us and let's trade. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to be seeing you next time. Bye for now, guys. Bye. For those of you in the one-on-one sections, those of you in my mentees, congratulations if you take the trade. If you didn't take the trade, that's all right. We're going to push on again. Opportunity to buy is always everywhere. You can always get opportunity. Like this one now, I think, let me call this out for you quickly. Let me call this one out for you quickly. This is on the 1 minute time frame, and you can see the way it's dropping, right? And you see the way it's pushing down. So you want to buy at this level. So your buy now will be here. 1 minute time. I'm not sure if you're good with 1 minute time frame, but if you're not good with 1 minute time frame, then look for 5 minute structure. Let me look for 5 minute structure for you. Because 1 minute time frame could be dangerous. Let's look for, okay, this is 5 minute structure. All right, the first trade is already exhausted. We're done with that. This is 5 minute structure. So getting on the 5 minutes time frame is better. Okay, again, you target this high where the market has finished just play off. Target a high again. This is a very beautiful setup. Now I'm giving you another trade setup right now. I'm giving you another trade setup right now. Put a buy limit where? Put a buy limit here. Buy limit. Let me change the color. Buy limit. That's the buy limit. Put your buy limit right there. Stop loss is at the 100% of this fib, which is right there. So your buy limit should be here on 75. You're targeting that. That will give you 1 to 3 straight up. You say, why is that? because we're bullish. The market is just retracing. So the retracement, if you miss the first entry, you can catch this one. Very simple thing. Market structure, fib, imbalances. So do you notice this is where an imbalance is? This matches with the imbalance. We have an extreme order block level, which is here. So just in case, worst case scenario, price week into that is going to bounce off. So you have a very strong confluence. So actually, I should take that trade. I'm going to enter that trade right now. I mean, I'm going to set my limit there as well. So let me set my limit there. Because we obviously that area is a very important area where prices are. Remember, this is a sell area here, but you know what? Yeah, you also risk a little, risk half of it. Risk half of it. I have 2025 500 now. So risk 0.5. And what's the stop loss like? 7 pips. Listen, I might not take this trade because I'm done for the day. I'm very conscious of that as well. So let's make it 8 pips. 1.5, 1.55 divided by if you want, but you can risk 1.55, 1.5 here. And watch out for this price. It's gonna rally. So for those of you who haven't taken trade this one, you can take this one. It's gonna move. So I'm gonna be watching it on 1 minute time frame to see how I react to it. Then if it reacts well, I'm gonna execute instead of just setting a limit. All right, guys, thank you so much. I'm done for the day. I'm gonna be taking this trade later. I'll show you the results if it goes through. If it doesn't hit that level, I'm not gonna push it. Thanks, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.